Hi Dhanashree.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, so ready for the viva voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the question for you is going to be, why does the color of the copper sulfate solution changes when an iron nail is dipped in it?
When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper, and therefore, because iron is more reactive than copper, therefore this copper sulfate solution changes. This reaction is called displacement reaction. Now let us know the equation of it. Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu.
Okay, good, thank you. Hi Shweta.
Hello, sir.
Okay, now the question for you is going to be, why does the magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in the air?
Magnesium ribbon should be cleaned before burning in the air because magnesium metal reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and forms magnesium oxide, which is a very stable compound. In order to prevent further reactions with oxygen, it is necessary to clean the ribbon before burning air to remove the layer of magnesium oxide. Thank you.
Good. So hi Hamsini.
Hi, sir.
Now the question for you is going to be, can you please talk about what is combination reaction and the displacement reaction?
So let us know about combination reaction. When two or more compounds combine to form a substance is known as combination reaction. For example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide.
So here carbon and oxygen are called,
Reactants,
CO2 called?
products.
Okay, good. Go with the displacement.
A reaction where a weak element is displaced with stronger element is known as displacement reaction.
Okay, think about an example. Now let me give you an example, tell that. So Zn plus FeSO4 gives rise to, it will become ZnSO4 plus
Fe,
Fe stands for?
iron.
Okay, good, thank you. So, hi Shobha.
Hi.
Okay, now the question for you is going to be, what is a balanced chemical equation and why should a chemical equation be balanced?
A balanced chemical equation is one in which number of atoms in both products and reactants are equal. Balancing a chemical equation is necessary for the reaction should obey the law of conservation of mass. Balancing chemical equation is a purely trial and error method.
Okay, thank you. Hi Anusha.
Hi, sir.
Now the question for you is going to be, why respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction?
Yes, sir. Since we require energy to live, we obtain the energy from our food. In the process of digestion, the food molecules are broken down into simpler substances like glucose. This glucose reacts with the oxygen present in our body cells to create carbon dioxide, water, and some sort of energy. This energy is in the form of heat. Hence, respiration is considered as exothermic reaction. The equation for this chemical reaction is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat energy. Thank you.
Okay, good. Hi Likita.
Hello, sir.
Now the question for you is going to be, write the decomposition reaction with respect to heat, light and as well as electricity. Comment about it.
So decomposition reaction is based on heat, light and electricity. So there are three types of reactions: thermal decomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction, photo decomposition reaction. Let us start. Thermal decomposition reaction, also known as thermolysis. When potassium chloride heated strongly, it decomposes to form potassium chloride and oxygen. This reaction is also used for preparation of oxygen. So the reaction is 2KClO3 gives rise to, in the presence of heat, 2KCl plus 3O2.
Okay, so here KCl stands for?
Potassium chloride.
Okay, very good. Next, moving forward, next one.
Electrolytic decomposition reaction, also known as electrolysis. When sodium chloride in the presence of electricity passes through electricity in the molten, it decomposes to form sodium and chloride. So the reaction is 2NaCl gives rise to, on passing electricity, 2Na plus Cl2.
Done, thank you. So hi Ashwan.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be, what is endothermic and exothermic reaction? Explain with an example.
Okay. So first we will talk about endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction is a reaction in which the heat energy is absorbed. For example, like CaCO3, which is also known as calcium carbonate, when heat is added to it, it decomposes to CaO, which is calcium oxide, plus CO2, which is carbon dioxide. And now we will talk about exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is the reactions in which heat is released. For example, we'll take calcium oxide CaO plus water H2O. It gives rise to CaOH2, which is calcium hydroxide plus heat energy is released. Thank you.
Okay, good. So hi Karthik. Hi. Yeah, the topic for you is going to be what is oxidation reaction.
So first of all, let us know about what is oxidation. Oxidation is the process reaction where the oxygen is gained and hydrogen is lost. For example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. So let us know about what is reduction. Reduction is the process where the hydrogen is gained and oxygen is lost. For example, CuO plus H2 gives rise to Cu plus H2O. Thank you.
Okay, good. Hi Sudhir. Hi. Yeah. Now the question for you is going to be what is corrosion.
So rusting of iron is known as corrosion. When a metal reacts with moisture and air, it forms a reddish brown powder which damages the metal items. Like for example, ships and cars which are made up of metals. By using galvanization method and applying paint on iron articles, we can prevent from rusting.
Okay, good. Alright, so hi Mohit.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be why does a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in the air?
Magnesium ribbon should be cleaned before burning in the air because outer layer contains magnesium oxide. Due to it does not burn. After burning in the air, magnesium ribbon comes out with white powder. It is called magnesium oxide.
Okay, good. Thank you. So hi Punyakirtana. Yeah, the question for you is going to be what is endothermic and exothermic reaction?
First, let us know what is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction is a reaction which absorbs the heat, is known as endothermic reaction. Equation for this reaction is CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. And exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is a reaction which liberates heat, is known as exothermic reaction. Equation for this reaction is CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH2 plus heat. Thank you.
Okay, good. Hi Pranati.
Hi.
The question for you is going to be what is rancidity?
So when oils and fats get oxidized, their smell and taste changes. So the substance like nitrogen are used to prevent this rancidity.
Okay, good. Hi Ramya.
Hi.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be why do we apply paint on iron articles?
We apply paint on iron articles to prevent them from rusting. When they are left unpainted, they come in contact with atmospheric oxygen and moisture air. It forms iron oxide. When they are painted, the surface does not react with atmospheric oxygen and moisture air, thus prevents from rusting. Thank you.
Okay, good. Hi Anvita.
Hi, sir.
The question for you, yes, good morning. The question for you is going to be talk about oxidation and reduction reaction with an example.
So, the reaction in which there is addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atoms, then it comes under oxidation reaction. Example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. If there is addition of hydrogen atoms or removal of oxygen atoms, this reaction comes under reduction reaction. Example, 2HgO gives rise to 2Hg plus O2.
Okay, good. So hi Lekya and hi Sarayu.
Hi.
The question for you is going to be for Lekya. What is endothermic reaction?
It is a reaction in which heat is absorbed, and the example is CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. In this reaction, CaCO3 is calcium carbonate, CO2 is carbon dioxide, CaO is calcium oxide.
Okay, good. And Sarayu, can you please talk about what is exothermic reaction?
Exothermic reaction. It is a reaction where heat is released. Example, exploitation and fusion. Thank you.
Okay. Hi Chandan.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be oil and fat food containing items are flushed with nitrogen. Explain why.
Oil and fat food items containing nitrogen because to prevent from the rancidity. When it occurs, it reacts with oxygen, letting to be new product. It tastes a bad smell and a bad taste. So it is necessary to prevent the chips packet which contain oil and fats. It is necessary to flush the nitrogen.
Okay, good. Chalo. So hi Sharik.
Hi.
The question for you is going to be talk about combination reaction.
Combination reaction. The reaction in which a single product is formed by two or more reactants, it is called as combination reaction. For example, CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH taken twice plus heat. In this reaction, CaO calcium oxide
combine with water and form calcium hydroxide as a product. Thank you.
Okay, good. So hi Rohit.
Hi sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be, can you please talk about the difference between displacement and the double displacement reaction with an equation?
Okay sir, first let us know about displacement reaction. In this reaction, zinc displaces another element called copper from copper sulfate solution, is called a displacement reaction. The equation is Zn plus CuSO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus Cu. So after that we know about double displacement reaction. In this reaction, ions displacement from the reaction is called as double displacement reaction. The reaction is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives rise to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yeah, hi Chetan.
Hi sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be, why does a copper sulfate solution color is going to change when an iron nail is dipped in it?
When iron nail is dipped into a copper sulfate solution, it changes color because iron displaces copper, because iron is more reactive than copper. So it becomes FeSO4 or iron sulfate. This reaction can be written in an equation such as Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu.
Okay, good. Right. So hi Charanpreet.
Hi.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be, talk about precipitate reaction.
Precipitate reaction is a type of reaction in which when two insoluble salts combine together to form a white insoluble substance called precipitate. Example, AgNO3 plus NaCl gives rise to AgCl plus NaNO3.
Okay, good. Hi Ismail.
Hi sir.
Yeah, the question for you is going to be, why does the magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air?
Magnesium ribbon should be cleaned before burning air because magnesium metal react with oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, and form magnesium stable compound, which is very stable compound.
Okay. Hi Anjan. The question for you is going to be, why does the color of a copper sulfate solution changes when an iron nail is dipped in it?
When an iron nail is dipped into copper sulfate solution, the iron changes into the copper, gives rise to the changes of color is the copper sulfate solution. The reaction of the copper sulfate solution is Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu.
Okay, thank you.